Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a GIF here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a GIF here in Adobe Express is a fun and a simple process that can serve various purposes, whether for personal projects or for professional content. Now, I'm working with this specific design in mind, and if you go to the download section right here on the upper right corner, you see that there isn't like a option for you to download as a GIF compared to other platforms like Canva or other softwares that you are familiar with, right? You only have like MP4, PNG, JPEG, PDF print. Now, one option is just save it to MP4, all right, or PNG or JPEG, and then go to the other platform called MP4 to GIF converter. All I have to do is upload the file and then convert it to GIF. All right, so that's one way. Another way is basically just go to the homepage of Adobe Express, and from here go to the view all section. You see this? More ways to start. All right, Instagram square posts, because if you click this option, what will happen is you have the ability to click the quick actions, wherein you can choose a very simple process of converting to GIF right here. All right, I want you to click on it. You see, all we're gonna do is drag and drop a video or browse. All right, now let's say we click on browse for now. Now, once the file has been loaded, just wait for it to be converted. Right, because the idea is that GIFs are eye-catching and can quickly capture an audience attention in a crowded feed or presentation. The motion elements stand out compared to static images. GIFs can communicate a sequence or idea more effectively than a static image. It's very perfect for showcasing tutorials, step-by-step processes like we do, or product features. You can use GIFs to add humor, excitement, or emotion to your content, because animated text or elements can make messages more playful and engaging. Right? So these are some of the reasons why creating GIFs here in Adobe Express is a very fun and an interactive way to make your content very appealing. Just wait for it to load depending on the complexity of your video, right? Then once it's all done, all you're gonna do is save it and download it as a GIF here in Adobe Express. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.